Morning stretch, essential stretching exercises for beginners. Wake up to a brighter dawn with simple stretching exercises designed to energize your morning. Let's start the day right. Begin with a gentle neck stretch. Tilt your head side to side, easing tension, and prep yourself for an active day ahead. Shoulder rolls come next. Lift, roll, and drop your shoulders slowly. This movement warms you up, shedding any sleep stiffness away. Now, embrace the sky with a standing side stretch. Reach high and bend gently. Feel the stretch along your side body. Transition smoothly into forward bends. Hinge at your hips and let gravity pull you closer to the ground, awakening your spine. CatCows are up next. On all fours, alternate between arching and rounding your back. This exercise brings flexibility to your spine. Conclude with deep breathing in a comfortable seated position. Let the calmness settle in, ready to tackle the day with new vigor.